Hi again everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina, and now it's raining, so we're gonna drive in the rain this time, and still it's a mountain driving, and then we're gonna use these hills. It's one of my members request this one, so I'm gonna use because I know some of you will want to watch close shoes, but then I'm gonna post it to the longer video for this one. I'm gonna post it to the membership, so if you want to join, just click join level 3. So because there are members that they click on level 2 and 1, but then you have to go click level 3 so that you can watch longer videos, different kind of shoes, raving engine, high heels, and of course loafers. But this time, this is the shoes that we're gonna wear. So I have some shoes that I have to put it aside. So for now, we're gonna wear this one, and so everyone, this is how I record my driving videos before I go on driving in the mountain. So I have to make sure that the dash camera, my foot, and the camera of the foot pedals and everything is set so that I don't have to look for it every time when I drive. And yeah, it takes time for me to prepare while I'm inside the car, and I bring some extra pair of shoes. And because there are subscribers, people in the world, there are subscribers that love to watch me with braking, also descending, and then loafers and different kind of shoes. But this time I'm for the first time, so I have my high heels close shoes, so I'm gonna upload it to the membership, and I hope you like this video. So it really takes time for me to kind of install the camera because yeah, sometimes it will flip, and then I don't have to look for it all the time, so because I'm concentrating the road. And then this one is, I love the shoes, it's so lovely, sweet, and very nice. So I'm looking for the open toes for this one, but I cannot find. So when I go back to the city, I have to look another high heels shoes, and then I'm gonna do more about it, driving videos about more on high heels. And then for now, I'm still busy and I'm not done yet, so I'm driving in the rain. And well, it's raining today, very strong one, and then but here in my place it's safe to drive. There's a lot of mountains to drive, uphill driving, descending, and it is safe to drive. And for my car, it's Toyota Wigo. It's a very good car and very easy car for driving. It's like you're driving a motorbike. So it's easy to swing when you are in the traffic, but so far there's no traffic here in the mountain because it's a mountain. So and now I'm so busy with it, and okay, I'm almost done. So first is we're gonna make pictures. So photo. So in this video, we're gonna drive now. So hi, so let's go. We're gonna drive now, driving home. So finally, next time, soon I have already the mic, so I don't have to shout with you guys. So foot brake, drive, blinker left and down, down, down. So let's press the pedal and let's go drive. Drive home, and I bought some snacks for us, banana and this one, sweet